Hey there, happy fun challenge day 338. This year, 2020, we're doing 365 days, finding one fun thing in every single day. Perfect year to do it because it's been such a crazy year. If we can just pull out and find one fun, enjoyable thing we can do every day, it makes everything feel so much better. So I'm using a little journal book called Do One Fun Thing Every Day. Amazing. To remind me to do something fun every day. Today is the second part of a two-part sayings day. Our saying was learn by doing by Aristotle. And yesterday we had to share how we learn best. How do you best learn? I totally am a hands-on learner. I have to read or see or hear or watch or have somebody show me step by step how to do something. And that's all well and good. But until I actually get my hands on and do it myself, I don't remember it. I don't keep it. I don't capture it. I can't do it unless I actually do it. I always think of like riding a bike. People can tell you, they can show you, you can watch videos, they can help you and hold you and guide you and coach you through riding a bike, but it's always up to you to actually do it. You have to figure out what your own personal equilibrium and balance is in order to actually ride that bike. Just like walking. People can't walk for us. We have to learn to walk by ourselves. So today our challenge says, magnifying glass, something I learned today by doing, or something I learned, by doing today. Something I learned by doing today. So share in the comments below something that you actually learned by doing today. Go out, learn something new, try something new, and actually do it, and then share in the comments below what it is that you did. All right, have an awesome day. Be with you tomorrow for another fun challenge. For a little journal book, do one fun thing every day. Have fun.